there, word explorers! Welcome to Digital Dictionary. Today, we are diving into brilliant words that start with the letter B. Can you think of any words that start with B? Don't worry, I'll help you discover some cool ones. Let's jump into our B-word adventure together. Ball. Ball. I love kicking the ball in the park. Bee. Bee. The bee buzzed around the flowers. Boat. Boat. We took a ride on a boat to see the lake. Banana. Banana. Bananas are great for a healthy snack. Bag. Bag. I packed my books in my school bag. Bear. Bear. The bear lumbered through the forest. Book. Book. I'm reading a book about animals. Bubble. Bubble. Let's blow bubbles and watch them float. Bed. Bed. I love jumping on my bed before bedtime. Bird. Bird. The colorful bird chirped happily on the tree branch. Now, let's look at all the words that we have learned today. Ball. Bee. Boat. Banana. Bag. Bear. Book. Bubble. Bed. And bird. Thanks for exploring brilliant B words with me on Digital Dictionary. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun vocabulary adventures. Bye-bye for now.